The Fame one was... Okay, the blush was $28. And if you're going to get it, you might want to get it now. Look, because since Laura Geller is going to be going out of business. I also got this Fame by ColourPop palette. And it was, did it say on the other receipt? Where's my other receipt? Receipt and other receipt. Okay, the other two little palettes were $15 a piece. I said $7. Oh, actually one was on sale for $7. The Sophie X was on sale for $7. The Emily Edit from Revolution was $15. And I do not see a charge for ColourPop. Where's ColourPop? 8. There's one more. Where is the receipt? There it is. ColourPop 15. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And these are the colors. These are just like perfect cool neutrals, y'all. You couldn't get any more cool neutrals than this. I'm going to fill the screen with this so that y'all can see it all. And I'm hoping it's going to focus. You just can't get any more cool neutral than that. Those are perfect neutrals for cool tones. These others are warm tones. These have more of a gray undertone, more of a purple pink undertone. And certainly you have highlight here that's matte, here that's shimmer, here it's got a little more yellow base, here it's got a little more peachy pink base. Then you start into some transition colors. This is a beige, this is a cashmere, kind of a light brown, this is a pink brown, a darker pink brown. So those are perfect for transition. And you've also in between these got shimmers if you want to do it that way. And then you've got kind of a gray, dark gray, and then you've got a dark plum. And you've got some more shimmers here. So this is just like a perfect eye palette for smoky eyes. I mean, whether you want to do a warmer one with this, and then this for warmer, like that little diagonal right there. Or if you wanted to do just really light, no makeup look, you can use these. Certainly these darker colors you can blend like this, and that. And get kind of more of an evening look. You can ignore all those warm tones and just do this matte pink, this kind of pretty, what's it called? Posh. And it's kind of like a coppery pink taupe. It's really unusual. Same thing here. This is Privy, is like a bronzy taupe, but these are the shimmers. And then you can come into Blasé or Lifestyle. Lifestyle's definitely more of a plum. So this is a great palette. So I got some cheaper palettes this time, but can I tell you, I feel like sometimes it's best to do that. Sometimes it's best to get some cheapy palettes that you're just going to use like when you travel or whatever, and if they should get cracked up or if they, you know, don't do... Now, I definitely would use them before you go, because the one thing you don't want on a trip... Hold on. I feel like I'm missing something, y'all. Emily Noel. Where's ColourPop? If she didn't charge me, I need to go back and tell her that and go get charged. Here's ColourPop, $19. Okay, so it's normally $22 for ColourPop. It was on sale for $2.50 off. So this one right here was $19.52. And I also got some Redken Control Addict. This is the 2-ounce size. So you can take this on trips, even in your purse, because when you're traveling, because it's only 2 ounces. Just remember, you do have to put it in like a gallon size plastic bag if it's in your carry-on. But I like this. This was $9 on sale for $7.98, so I love having that. This is what I keep in my purse. And then the It Cosmetics was an exchange, so that's that one. And then again, the Sophie Ultra palette was $15. And the Emily Edit The Needs palette was $15. And what was the last thing I did? Oh, the Laura Geller. That was a little bit more. $28 on sale for $20. That's not on sale. $28. That's a lot for a blush, y'all. Should I take that back? I really do like this color, though. I really do. It's got a shimmer in it. Do you see the sheen on my cheek? And it's got it really looks like I'm blushing. It looks like I got hot or embarrassed. Either I'm having a hot flash or I'm really embarrassed about something you said and I'm blushing. Because it's got an undertone of peach to it, but it's pink. And I love that. And then it's got gold shimmer in it. So that'll be really pretty in the spring and in the summer. So if you want to get this one again, it's called Tropical Hues. And this is Laura Geller's Baked Blush and Brighten. So the Brighten's probably the highlight part. So that's that. And the one that I want to go get from Laura Geller before she's completely gone is Malibu. That is a hot pink. It is perfect for the summertime because if you brush it right across the top of your cheek, all the way in, which you don't normally do. Normally you stop right here at the round section, leaving this and this white. But in that case, you use the tip in, come all the way in, over here, over the bridge, and all the way out, and on the top of your chin right there, and then on your forehead. I am going to put a little on my forehead. Especially in that case, you're going to put it right here, because what it looks like is that you got a bunch of sun, because it's such a hot pink. But you dust it very lightly, and it doesn't even look like you have blush on. It just looks like you got sun. So anyway, that was my little trip to the store, getting these 3 palettes, this blush, which I really do like, and I always like to have a good hairspray. This is an extra high hold, which is called Control Addict. This is one of my favorite hairsprays when it's just like yucky today. Once I rework this and I spray it, it'll be stuck for the day. And now, you know, hard holding hairsprays are not flexible. They are not soft. They're crunchety. And I usually only do that in the top. So if my husband wants to touch my hair back here, it's not crunchety. But actually, it's just a mop mess today. So, so that's that. And then, of course, the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer that I'm trying. And it came with a free compact. And this is a full-size compact. But it says that it's full coverage. It does have SPF 50. Really, really important to your skin. I got it in Fair. It is a cream foundation. It says full coverage. To me, no, it's not. I don't think it was full coverage at all. But anyway. We'll see. We'll see how it does. I feel like it's already coming off is my point. There's no, I can see through it too much. Full coverage to me means you can't see through it. So that's that. That is all I have for today. And I'm getting ready to do a little Bible devotion when I get back. Me and my husband are going out for the day. He's going to take me to Nordstrom's just to see if there's anything I would like to have. What husband does that? I'm so blessed. I know. I think he wants to buy me a little something from Chanel, like maybe a fingernail polish or a lipstick or something like that. We'll eat while we're out. Then we're going to go in our community to a little community fair that they're having, so I think that'll be fun. And then we are going up to take care of my dad, take him some food. We're taking him some pork butt, I think is what my husband said. And a couple of other little items, some green beans, and then we're going to take him to Publix and do his laundry. And we're going to go to Publix to get his groceries and then come back and make sure we do his laundry. And then, what else were we going to do? Come on. And he made the most wonderful chicken salad. I'll have to give y'all the recipe, or have y'all, maybe if y'all like cooking videos, it's not exactly cooking, but food videos, let me know and I will make it up for you, because you get some like really pretty crackers that are tasty. Like I get the Himalayan garlic salt, garlic pink salt, Himalayan pink salt with garlic crackers, and serve that on a really pretty tray with this fancy little chicken salad. And it's the nicest thing to put out when people come over, and serve like a flavored tea or flavored coffee, or you know, something like that for when your girlfriends come over. And if you still want to have girlfriends, start inviting your neighbors. Make yourself some friends. Life is short. Just start doing it. That's what I would do. Okay, I know. And then if they can't come, which is often the case for me too, have it for yourself. You and Jesus. Sit down and say, Lord, let's have a little meal together. Okay, y'all, I love you. I'm going to go now, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye, 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 bye.